Hey everyone, in this video we are talking about mixed radicals, and when I say mixed radicals, what I mean is we have some root sign, there's something underneath, and there's also a number that's out in front. So it's important for you to know that between what I've got here, the 2 and the square root of 6, is the multiplication sign. 2 root 6 means 2 times the square root of 6. There's two sort of things we're going to be doing with mixed radicals. We'll be turning a mixed radical into an entire radical, which means put everything under the square root sign. And we'll be also be taking questions where we have a big number under the square root sign and we want to separate into something outside the square root sign and then what's left over underneath. That'll be some number out there. Let's do an example. Might as well do the 2 times the square root of 6. All you need to know is that when we combine the terms from a mixed radical and put it under one root sign, the number that was there originally stays, and it is multiplied by 2 of whatever was outside. We had 2 on the outside, so we have to put 2 underneath twice. If we were doing 2 times the cubed root of 6, which is the same as 2 cubed root of 6, we would go the cubed root of 6 times, because it's cubed root, 3 of the number outside comes underneath. 2 times 2 times 2. To go the other way, we might have a number like the square root of 72. Well, let's see if we can break that down into a bunch of small numbers being multiplied together. 72, I know that's 9 times 8. 9 is really 3 times 3, and 8 is really 2 times 4. So I've got 3 times 3 times, I don't know why we're at 2, that should be 4. 4 is really 2 times 2. Because it's a square root, I need 2 of a kind to be able to pull it out here outside of the square root sign. So I've got 2 3's, so they'll come outside as just 1 3, and I've also got 2 2's, which will come out as 1 2, and these numbers you've pulled outside, you multiply them together. 2 times 3 will be 6, and what's left, once I take out my 2 3's and my 2 2's, I just get 2, which was exactly the same as what we had up here actually, which I didn't plan that. It's just funny how things happen sometimes, I guess. Let's do another example. Let's do 2 the 4th root of 3. What's underneath the 4th root sign stays, and because it's 4th root, we need 4 of whatever's outside. So we'll go times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that will be the 4th root. You can take your calculator and you can go, see that? So 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Do I have enough 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got 48. So 2 the 4th root of 3 will be the same as the 4th root of 48.